One small word can change your entire sentence. Are you really using it in a right way? In today's topic, let's understand the articles in English. So first of all, have you ever wondered that why we say an hour but a university? It's not a mistake. It's just a sound secret most learners miss. So let's unlock one of the most misunderstood grammar rule and master it just in 3 minutes. So सबसे पहले articles क्या होते हैं? Actually, articles defines a noun as specific or unspecific. Article एक ऐसा word है, एक smaller word है जो हम use करते हैं किसी भी noun को specific या फिर unspecific करने के लिए. ठीक है, जैसे टाइप्स ऑफ आर्टिकल्स में हमारे पास इनडेफिनेट आ जाते हैं जिसमें ए एंड एन है, एंड डेफिनेट में हमारे पास द आर्टिकल आ जाता है. व्हाट्स द सीक्रेट बिहाइंड दिस? व्हाट्स द सीक्रेट बिहाइंड इनडेफिनेट एंड डेफिनेट? डेफिनेट मीन्स समथिंग इज ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड. इफ इन द सेंटेंस something is already defined in the previous sentence, then you use the definite article the. But if something is not defined, then you use indefinite articles. So when I said that we use indefinite articles, you have a question. You should ask that it's two articles, a and an. Where to use a and where to use an? Let's move forward and discuss them. So before moving towards the detail of articles, I want you guys to learn a little bit about the phonemic chart. Because articles totally depend on the sounds, the phonemic chart. So we do not rely and we cannot put the articles according to the alphabets. We just put them according to the sounds, consonants and vowels. We have some basic consonants like b, d, f, g sound, k sound, t sound, h sound, and similarly we have some basic vowels like a sound, it's a sound, e sound, u sound. So we have different sounds. Articles works according to the sounds, not according to the alphabets. Let's dive into the details of articles. So let's move towards the articles. Before moving towards the articles, I want you guys to know that the article is used with consonant sounds, and an article always used with vowel sounds. Okay, so just have an example when to use a sound. Use a article before words that begin with a consonant sound. Example, our dog, a university. So here our dog, the sound is a consonant sound, so we put a. But you can say that in the university the first sound is u, which is a vowel. No, it's an alphabet u, it's not a vowel sound. So it sounds like university's y sound, that we also use in you. You are someone. ठीक है, the you जो you में हमारे पास use होता है, this y sound is in university. So y sound is a consonant sound, so we use a with the university. Okay, when to use an article? So we use an article before a vowel sound. Okay, see the examples, an apple, an hour. ठीक है, यहाँ पर अब एप्पल और से पहले हमने एन यूज किया. अब आप कह सकते हो कि ओके, एप्पल में अ साउंड है, तो हमने वो वॉवल साउंड की वजह से इसको एन आर्टिकल यूज किया. बट इन द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल वी हैव एज, HOUR is hour. Okay, so you can ask me that it's a consonant. No, its alphabet is consonant. Alphabet seems like consonant, but hour, it sounds like a sound, which is a vowel sound. It's not a her sound. Her sound sounds in horse. उसकी आवाज horse में आती है. If it's horse, then we put a horse here, because horse h is a ha sound, which is a consonant sound, so we put a with the consonant. But here is in our, it's a sound, which is a vowel sound, so we put an with that. Let's move towards the article or the article. Use the article for the specific or previously mentioned nouns. In this, both speaker and listener know the noun. Something is unique or already mentioned, so we use the article. Here is an example. I saw a dog. The dog was barking. In the first sentence, I saw a dog. I put a because it's not specific. I don't know which dog, which type of dog. But when I said that the dog was barking, here I put the because this dog I saw was barking. So here are a few more examples of the article. The moon is bright tonight. Moon is a unique thing and it's one and only in the word and specific. So the moon is bright tonight. The sun. The book you gave me. Here it's specific. Book that you gave me. That's why it's the book. ठीक है, यहाँ दी बुक. इस वजह से मैंने दी लगाया क्योंकि वो बुक वो थी जो आपने मुझे दी. द बुक यू गेव मी. दैट्स वाई कि वो स्पेसिफिक हो गई और मैं उसके साथ दी पुट कर रही हूँ. ओके, अब हमारे पास जो चीज़ है वो ये है कि साउंड वर्सेस स्पेलिंग की क्या यहाँ पर स्ट्रेटजी है. देखें, आर्टिकल्स मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी आपसे बात की कि आर्टिकल्स हमेशा साउंड्स पर डिपेंड करते हैं, लेटर्स पर नहीं. अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे तो मैं वर्ड कहती हूँ यूरोपियन. ई की वजह से आप कंफ्यूज हो सकते हो कि इसके साथ एन आएगा, बट इट साउंड्स लाइक यूरोपियन. इट साउंड्स य साउंड विच इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. सो वी और आई पुट आ यूरोपियन, नॉट एन यूरोपियन. नेक्स्ट, गो टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. एन ऑनेस्ट मैन. It's honest man or sound which is a vowel sound. It's not honest man. Okay, then I put an. But if it's horse, then I put a horse because H is her sound is a consonant sound. But o sound is a vowel sound in honest, so I put an honest man. Okay, so I hope you clear. Okay. After that, we have some common exceptions about articles. We do not use any article with the proper nouns. You can say with the names, country names, with the languages like Sara, Ali and Pakistan, India. But here are few exceptions we include. We use the article with USA, with the UK and the Netherlands. So it's an exception. After that, we also use the with the mountains, oceans and rivers. Why? Because when we use a specific name of a thing, if we say that the Himalayas, it's a noun, you can say it's a proper noun, but we use the with the Himalayas because the is a specific thing. Himalayas एक ही हैं. या मैं अगर बात करती हूँ पैसिफिक ओशन की, तो पैसिफिक ओशन एक ही है. पैसिफिक ओशन 2-3 नहीं है या वो कॉमन नहीं है. ठीक है, वो स्पेसिफिक हो जाते हैं. दैट्स वाई आई यूज दी विद देम. Okay, let's conclude the topic. To conclude the topic, I want to give you some final tips or a quick check. Ask yourself, is the noun is a specific or general? Does the word start with a vowel sound or a consonant sound? Let's review the things. A article is used for consonants, an article is used for vowel sounds, and the for the specific nouns. And remember, it rely on sounds, not the spellings. So thank you so much, and if you have any further question, please ask me in the comments.